In this video, we will use the Openings tool to add doors to our floor plan, as well as run through the different door types, show you how to change their configurations, and add fire and smoke ratings. Before you can start placing doors on a floor plan, Plan Studio requires you to first have all the walls already drawn. We then add doors into the walls, and the doors will create their own opening into the wall. Selecting our Opening tool and using the Doors option in the sub-toolbar, you will then see all the different door types available on the right-hand side. Starting off with our standard hinged door, you will then see the Tool Setting menu pops open where we can change the way we place our doors with the drawing mode. Using Draw from Side, we add doors into walls by simply drawing a line from the hinge to the handle on the side of the wall that we want the door to open into. Most of the doors in this plan are standard width, so for now we can leave our fixed width turned on and our leaf width set to 0.82 meters. When we get to the toilet cubicle doors, we can change the drawing mode to center on wall to make sure the doors are evenly spaced and lower the fixed width to 0.72. With most of our single swing doors now drawn, select the 1.5 hinge door type and start placing these in and then moving to our double hinge door, which we can then start to draw from any side, before moving on to our sliding doors. With our sliding doors, we now draw these from the side they open. By default, sliding doors will import as a cavity sliding door, but by selecting one of the sliding doors, we can easily change the properties of these doors in the inspector panel to move the sliding panel from inside the wall to either side, as well as adding additional sliding panels or fixed panels. The same options then apply for our double sliding door, and by using a combination of all these properties, you should be able to replicate any type of sliding door required. The next type of door is the bifold door. These can be used in two different ways. Firstly, as an opening in a wall, and secondly, as a room divider. By turning off fixed width, we can then draw a bifold door as long as we require. Starting by drawing a line off the wall, we can then use the extension nodes to edit the path of the door, as well as editing the appearance of the bifold by choosing how open we want it to appear, as well as the panel's width and thicknesses. We can then draw in our roller door, leaving fixed width turned off, and using our last drawing mode, Draw from Center. The final door option for us is an opening, acting like a doorway in a wall with the door removed. We can then go back and select any of our doors and change to the swing mode to edit the door swings, change the side they open into, or use the inspector panel to add a fire rating. Adding fire ratings will automatically add fire doors to your icon legend on your signs. Doors can then be deleted, and any holes in walls will automatically be patched up.